Hi there. So I'm here to teach you a little bit more about video generating AIs. I have, I think, 4 tools here for you to learn, and we're gonna go through them one by one. So before we get into it, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper or a pen or pencil that works to write down the steps here, because you need to follow them accordingly and one step at a time. You can even use your notepad, okay? So let's get started. Once you're on your PC or laptop or Mac, just open any browser you like. Even if it's Safari, it's okay. I'm using Microsoft Edge right now because this is my personal favorite. Even if it's Google Chrome, that's perfectly fine as long as you have access to the internet. Okay? So from here now, please search this links. Let's go through them one by one. I have a notepad here if you can pause. If you want to pause, I mean, and then just copy this one. It's perfectly fine. But we can just check them one by one. So please don't mind this one. It's Kyber. This is the one for the Kyber. It takes so long to load, that's why I already loaded it beforehand. Anyway, let's check on LayupPix first. So just click on visit LayupPix. This is not the landing page for this specific AI video tool, okay? AI Tools Arena is like a collection of those AI video tools or AI tools for each and specific process. So for this one, let's open LayupPix over here. And then I think you should have a Gmail account or an email to use this one if you want to sign up. So you need to an active email. So as you can see, I'm already signed up. Just sign up using your Gmail account. Not a problem. If you want to sign up using your phone number, it's not a problem as long as you sign up. Okay. So from here now, it's LayupPix. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm saying it, if I'm mispronouncing it. So once you're here, I want you to follow my cursor. There is an upload button on the upper left. And then since this is an AI, let's just check. I'm gonna upload a sample photo. This is my sample photo right now, and actually it's currently moving. LayupPix is the one doing that. I didn't upload a moving AI photo, okay? I just uploaded the normal JPEG photo. So if you can see on the left side, there is a few tools here. A few metrics that you want to adjust. As you can see here, enemy length is 1 second to 6. And if I'm not mistaken, the lower the second, the faster your AI moves. Let's try 1 second over here. As you can see that my AI moves so quickly. If I tried 6, it's taking its time, it's taking her time. So let's go neutral over here. Animation style, horizontal is going left and right. Wide circle is just spinning. Circle is just spinning again. Tall is spinning upwards. You get the gist, right, guys? So let's just check on wide circle over there. Make it 3, and then amount of motion is more. That means that it's moving a lot more. Even though you choose 3, this is the speed of motion. This is the amount of motion. Okay. So a focus point is the same as amount of motion, but for this one, it has an extra kick. It moves a little bit farther than if you choose amount of motion more over here. Let's just put center here. You don't want her to get tired, right? Anyway, that's it. If you're satisfied with your editing here, there's an advanced option right here. If you want like to move it a little bit more, it's up to you guys. If you're satisfied and you want to save this one, just click on the share button right there. And then you have an option of what file type to save it. If you want it as a GIF or a GIF for people who say it like that, it's perfectly fine. So MP4 is actually good. LIF, I think this is the personal LayupPixel file. DefMat, SBC, I'm not familiar with that. And Facebook 3D, I think that's not using anymore. Let's just click MP4, the most safe file type. And I think it will be going on the upper right here, as you can see there. To check it, let's open the file. And that's it. That's your video AI created using LayupPix. Let's just move on to the next one. Let's just remove this so we won't get confused. So the next one is called Deep Nostalgia AI. I think it's called MyHeritage. So again, we're on the AI Tools Arena, but this is the landing page, okay? Click visit Deep Nostalgia AI. Remove that one so we won't be confused. And let me check my recording first if it's properly being recorded. So as you can see here, you can sign up first before uploading a photo, because if you upload a photo without signing up, they will go give you they will redirect you on the sign up page. Let's just sign up right there. You can use your Google again. So it's really important having an active Google account. So let me just set my year of birth here. I'm just gonna set something in random. So if you noticed earlier, there's a free trial. I think it's a 14-day free trial, and then after that one, you're gonna be paying $8 or $7.88 a month. So before you start a free trial, you need a card here. Okay. So I have a dummy card right here. Let me just put it there. Give me a second. It's a debit. So card number is 5286. You don't have to copy this one because actually this is not working anymore. This card is inactive. I just wanna try using this one so I can show you guys how it works. So expiration for this one is 12/27. CVV is 178. Let me just start the free trial right there. Processing the payment. So authentication failed. So currently that card is not longer working, as I mentioned last time. Click on continue right there. So transaction error. So I have one more card to check here. If it's not working, let's move on to the next AI tool. Okay. So let me just check on this one. Give me a few seconds here. That's 7312 7495, and then expiration is 0430. 3 cards on behind is 616. Let's start our free trial right there. Accept that term of service, processing the payment. So please take note that there are AI here that requires payment. So again, that's unable to process. Those both cards are not active. So let's just go back over here and let's try. Let's hope that it works on their end. Let's try uploading a photo. Try that one. I think for the basic part, it's gonna upload. Perfect. So it's uploading right now. So the full version requires a card. I think the best features are there. If not, this is the most generic version or feature that we can use. Okay. So right now it's being animated. It's actually, they have preset it. You can download the video if you want, but if you want to edit this one, I think that's where the payment is required. So that's be it. That's my heritage. That's how you use it. Let's just move on to the next AI tool. It's called CutUp Pro. For this one, this is actually a paid one also, but you can use it for free with the watermark. So to log in, just use your Gmail. I'm already logged in here. And then you have a few options here. Image background remover. This is actually pretty helpful. This is one of my favorites options. And then the background diffusion is also good. But the one that's actually the best here for me is the one that's called face remover. Let me just check that one. I think it's on product right there. It's face cutout. Let's try it out, okay? Let's just upload our sample photo right there, and as you can see, the face is cut out. If you want a cartoon selfie, this is another feature. So technically this is just like an editing software for your images that is powered by an AI. Pretty smooth, right? Let's just check on the background remover over here. This is actually the most trending one right now. Let's check our sample photo, and there you go. Before it was gray and a bit of shadow right there, but now it's nothing. So you just download that one, check on it, and as you can see, you have a photo with no background. This is particularly helpful if you're editing, for example, an icon, a thumbnail, a post, right? This is particularly helpful. So let me just remove that CutUp Pro so we can head straight to the last one. It's Kyber. If you click on this one, you will be directed on this landing page. So I just opened this one right now because it takes a long time to load. It actually took me 30 minutes actually. I think that's the reason it's still on beta test. Anyway, you can just sign up using your Google account. Click everything that's on a tile with motorcycle, fire hydrant. Let's just fix this capture right here. Translate. Choose our dummy account. And then once we're here, let's just take a few moments to load. I hope it doesn't take so long as much as it took to load earlier. Now I think this is the dashboard for it. So you have a portfolio, my plan. I think this is also paid. But let's try creating our first video. So you must complete the steps below in order to start your video. Confirm your email. Create videos for 7 days free. Start free trial, of course. And as you can see here, it needs a payment. So let's just, I think we cannot proceed on this one since my cards are not working, my 2 dummy cards. But basically Kyber is just the same as, I think, what do you call that? Heritage, the one earlier. That it's just the same as that one. Just upload the video and they're gonna get an AI for you. For example, this one. For example, this is a Linkin Park music video, which is in real life uploaded to Kyber, has been made cartoonized. For example, let me just close that one so you can hear me properly. As you can see here, they animated or they're cartoonized or they're cartoonify, whatever term that is, on this Linkin Park video right here. They made a video out of it, and then this is the result. Just upload a video of your liking and then let Kyber do its thing. Okay, that's how it works. Let me just check my recording if everything is good here. So if you're done with this, just put your card and try it. That's Kyber for you. So if you like the video, those are the 4 AI tools for video creation. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.